kids, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey to discover the incredible world of farm animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. Cluck, cluck. I'm a chicken and I love to peck around the farm. My feathers are soft and I lay delicious eggs.
I'm a friendly cow, grazing in the meadow. I provide nutritious milk for you to enjoy. Move over and let's learn together.
Oink, oink. I'm a pig, rolling in the mud. I'm not just cute. I help clean up the farm by eating all the leftovers. Fantastic, right? Bah, bah. I'm a fluffy sheep with cozy wool. I get sheared for my wool, which is used to make warm clothes. Let's stay warm and learn more.
I'm a majestic horse, trotting around the farm. People ride on my back and I'm strong enough to help with heavy tasks. Never stop learning.
That wraps up our farm animal adventure today, kids. I hope you enjoyed meeting these fantastic animals. Stay tuned for more episodes. Bye!